Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Merlin AI chat assistant. So this is really nice app. You can download and install this app from Google Play Store and Apple Store, and then simply tap on the open button. Then in first stage you need to create your account with Google, or you can see there are a lot of things. Then you can create. It's really simple and easy, and then you can see the interface like this, like good evening. So I already created my account. So now how to use this app? So first of all, you will use it free for some feature. Like if you want to get advanced feature and unlimited feature, then you have to you have to go with Pro. So simply tap here go with Pro. Then you can see here the different package like monthly and yearly. You can try it, and after that the thing is here, like try Merlin Vault. It's the different advanced tool. So your project, I'm not going to go here. Recent, I said hi. So this is the thing, like you can choose different Merlin Magic and Cloud 3 Haiku. So you can choose two things. It's available here. I just keep it this one, and you can tap here. You can choose videos or photos. Upload from device, import for Vault. Can you tell me how to use this? How to you can ask to use Merlin AI. Okay, that's it. So sign up, choose a Merlin AI model, provide your input, customize the model parameters, generate output, review and refine the output, integrated Merlin AI into your workflow. So there are a lot of things they tell you. You can select here like web, academic, YouTube search. So you can edit here social, and you will get 100 free credit. And if you want to create your account, then you can see here generate AI image, YouTube summarizer, Merlin project. So two things, generate AI image and YouTube summarize. If you tap here, then you will get your ID, and if you tap here YouTube summarize, then language auto, you can select your long language here and insert YouTube link. Then they will summarize for you. You can paste it, and also you can generate image here. Surprise me, just try something. Then you can choose the style here, some premium, some Dali Flax Pro. It's a Pro, so just keep Dali 2, and after that you can see it takes 20 credit. Okay, so simply tap generated. It takes few time, and you will have 100 credits in free version. So that wait to see this. So you can see the result, but you can see here the watermark on here. So if you want to remove your watermark, then you have to buy premium package, then you can download it.